Hello everyone, my name is Ankush Mullik and welcome to my channel. Today I am discussing about how to set up your VS Code in your PC or your laptop. So let's start. Before watching this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video to others. Okay, let's open Google and type search VS Code or Visual Studio Code. Click the first link and then click download for Windows. After clicking it, automatically start downloading, and after downloading please click the VS Code in your downloads folder. Please wait a few minutes for installing. First I agree the agreement, then next, then it shows where this Visual Studio Code installed in your device. Then next, then click all the checkbox. Then next, again install, and it takes some time for installing Visual Studio Code in your PC or laptop. Please wait some time for installing. After installing, click finish and it automatically opens Visual Studio Code in your computer. So our Visual Studio Code installation is complete. For installing GCC and GDB in our computer, please see the next two videos.